Hello Dnation and welcome back. In today's video, we are going to be unboxing and reviewing a diecast mountain bike which is a 1/8 scale blue variant manufactured by Bike Diecast. And I'm going to be showing you the features and the specifications of this amazing diecast mountain bike replica. So stay tuned with me on this one and let's get this started. So, before we begin, I just want to let you know that although I'm a diecast motorcycle collector, this miniature diecast mountain bicycle got my attention and I was thrilled to get it, so here we are. And before we get to the good stuff, let's take a quick look at the boxing as always and get this thing opened. Well, to begin with, I would like to mention that this 1/8 scale diecast mountain bicycle replica comes in 4 color variants, of which I got the blue variant. Well, after hands-on, I should admit that this is a beautiful miniature replica of a mountain bike, and I'm glad that I got this model to add a bit of variety to Dnation's diecast collection. So my first thoughts about this miniature mountain bike replica is that I'm really satisfied with the build quality, as most of the components are made of diecast with a very few components made of molded plastic, which is quite sturdy and built to last. And I should admit that this model looks quite stunning and looks just as beautiful as its real life counterpart. So getting down to a few features and specifications, this model comes with a sturdy chassis with an amazing blue and silver paint scheme. This replica also comes with a blue and silver steerable front fork that contrasts with the rest of the color theme on this replica. And this unit flows into a mountain bike style handlebar with a pair of black hand grips and brake levers. And moving down is a beautiful two-tone black and silver alloy style wheel and a rubber tire with a single disc brake unit. And these brake cables take the detailing to a next level, which makes it a complete standout. And moving on to the midsection is a sturdy crossbar with a water bottle that looks amazing. You will also see a clamp which we will get to in a bit, so stay tuned. And moving down to the heart of this ride lies a beautiful and well-detailed belt-style chain and sprocket unit with a pair of foot pedals that actually function and help spin the rear wheel, which is a good touch of functionality detailing. And talking about the seat, it's a standard single seat which is in black, and the rear wheel setup is just the same as the front but comes with the belt and sprocket unit along with a silver single disc brake unit as well. And this model comes with free rolling wheels and a side kickstand in case you want to display it. And as far as the specs go, this replica measures in at 7.5 inches in length, 4.5 inches in height, 3 inches in width, and weighs in approximately at about 200 grams, which could almost be matched up with the standard 1/12 scale motorcycles. So let's go ahead and take a closer look at this well-detailed mountain bike replica and make a comparison alongside the 1/10 scale miniature diecast mountain bike. And please do let me know which one of these variants are your favorite in the comments below. Well, all I can say besides a minor size difference is that both these variants look stunning and unique in their own way, and their functionality seems to be perfect and just as beautiful as their highly detailed exteriors. And these diecast mountain bike replicas get a massive thumbs up from me for their looks as well as for their functionality. And I'm really happy that I got this beautiful miniature mountain bike replica that I will gladly add to my diecast bicycle collection. So overall, this is a beautiful diecast mountain bike replica and a definite must-have for any diecast collector or hobbyist, especially if you are a bicycling enthusiast. And in case you're interested, kindly find further features, specifications and the best buy link for this diecast mountain bike replica in the description below. So with that being said, let's place these miniature mountain bike replicas on the Dnation turntable and take a look at these diecast beauties in a 360-degree view, and stay tuned for some fun facts on mountain bikes coming up. A mountain bike, also known as MTB or mountain bicycle, is a bicycle designed for off-road cycling. Mountain bikes share some similarities with other bicycles, but incorporate features designed to enhance durability and performance in rough terrain, which makes them heavier. These typically include a suspension fork, larger knobby tires, more durable wheels, more powerful brakes, straight extra wide handlebars to improve balance and comfort over rough terrain, low gear ratios for climbing steep grades, and sometimes rear suspension to really smooth out the trail, as well as a drop-down post to quickly adjust the seat height. Since the development of the sport of mountain biking in the 1970s, many new subtypes of mountain biking have developed, such as cross-country, enduro, all-mountain, freeride, downhill, and a variety of track types. Each of these place different demands on the bike, requiring different designs for optimal performance. MTB development has led to an increase in suspension travel, now often up to 8 inches, and gearing up to 36 speeds to facilitate both climbing and rapid descents. Advances in gearing has also led to a 1x trend, simplifying the gearing to one chainring in the front and casket at the rear, typically 9 to 12 sprockets. And for further information on mountain bikes, kindly check the link in the description below. And if you want to get yourself or your loved ones this amazing diecast miniature mountain bike replica, I dropped the best buy link in the description below, so go check it out and get yourself one if you're interested. And also please do let me know in the comments below as to what are your thoughts about this miniature diecast mountain bike replica. And kindly continue to support Dnation by liking and sharing our videos, as it would really help us out a lot. And in case you missed out on our previous episodes, please do check out the rest of the 118 scale and the 112 scale diecast motorcycle episodes, and a lot more fun stuff in the playlist below. And this brings us to the end of this episode, and I hope you enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed making it for you. And if you guys enjoyed this video, a like, comment and share would be much appreciated. And kindly support Dnation by subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and click that notification bell icon so you don't miss out on any of our upcoming episodes. Also do follow us at dnation.in on Instagram for daily diecast previews and updates, and stay tuned for all new and one-of-a-kind episodes coming up. Well, thank you for watching, take care, and I'll see you on the next one.